Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and exposing the button area. First, power down your Huawei, remove the case and SIM tray so you can see the volume rocker clearly. Once done, back up contacts, photos, and settings to Huawei Cloud or a PC. Make sure important files are saved before you open or press aggressively. Inspect the gap. If you see dirt, lint, or corrosion, use a soft brush and isopropyl 90% swab. Be gentle so you don't push debris further in. Now you determine whether this is a hardware or software issue. Reboot into safe mode to disable third-party apps, then press the volume keys to see if the system responds. This isolates apps as the culprit. Next, check sound settings and accessibility options so you understand how the OS handles volume commands. If on-screen sliders work but buttons do not, try a USB-C headset or Bluetooth device. If those change volume, you've narrowed it to the physical button circuit. Finish by choosing the right fix based on your diagnosis. If the flex cable or rocker is damaged, order an OEM replacement and follow disassembly guides. Remove battery connector first, swap the flex and test before sealing the phone. If you lack tools or confidence, visit an authorized Huawei service center to avoid warranty void. Make sure to test the buttons after each step, and if nothing helps, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Remember, that erases data, so restore from your backup afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.